Surviving your pregnancy with your sanity intact. Tips for the mom-to-be. Pregnancy is the beginning of the greatest human adventure, parenthood. Just like the child rearing that comes after it, pregnancy can seem bewildering and challenging. Expectant parents can take heart because few people are born knowing all the tricks to make a pregnancy healthy and free of stress. This video contains a few tips that may be handy for any mom-to-be. Protect your health as well as the health of your baby. When you are pregnant, be mindful of every single thing that you are putting into your body. If you are unsure of what foods and medications are acceptable to consume, check with your doctor beforehand. It is important that you allow your legs to get sufficient circulation when you are pregnant. Getting blood to flow can be difficult when a woman is pregnant, and by not moving your legs enough, you can get blood clots, which can be deadly. You can also wear special stockings that help blood flow. Finding an online support group while pregnant is a great idea. You can meet a wide range of mothers while talking about your pregnancy and feelings about pregnancy. Choose a group that fits your personality, and remember, not everyone is going to have the same experiences as you do. Find a good position for sleeping. During your third trimester, sleeping on your left side will put you in the best position for your blood flow to reach the fetus, your uterus, and your kidneys. If you are more comfortable sleeping in a different position, that's okay. Just make sure not to sleep on your back. Whether parents are expecting their first child or have experienced pregnancy before, they may well benefit from learning a little more about the process. Advice like what is in this video can be of use to any soon-to-be parent. Pregnancy can be trying, and any hints that will help ease parents through it will surely be appreciated. You can get more tips and guides about parenting tools and furniture at cradlesbaby.net.